kuthule bandleni ngifaka kagama lo yo bazalwane sengiyisuthi yona. Ngicishe ngangashuthi. I was like, hayi, wabona one day. Kuthule bandleni ngifaka kagama lo welcome to Moses Music platform where we exercise music kuthula kwa. We'll respect the number, let's try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we encourage others. Basically, we post the toxic content. Guys, I've also partnered with Ingoni FM, which is an online radio station. That is why you will see radio station segments on this channel. So, they become part of me. I understand. So, Bazalwana Tamadnapila. As I am recording this, we are sitting on 800, but at least almost there. At 485. So yeah. If you don't understand, it's a request, guys. I keep telling I love my audience. And hey, welcome back, Andile Mabasa. It's been a minute, man. So Andile Mabasa requested House of God. House of God. Something was happening this weekend. I don't know what it was. We requested House of God Ministries. Igama lakho liyababazeka. And igama lakho liyababazeka. Igama lakho lababazeka and sadalwa nguwe. So, yep, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Bazalwane. Yo, bazalwane. Ningixolele njengoba ngiqala phansi. I did not connect my phone to the amp, and as of late, le phone ayingenzela ifilimu. Inodlale nje ukuphoza ungaphozi. Amafoni ayaguga. Awu. So, nakhiya. So yeah. So, ngixolele, let's start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
Cool, man.
Let's get it. So basically, the song is saying, igama lakho liyababazeka umhlaba wonke. Now, in English, if I have to translate igama lethu kubabazeka, it's more like flabbergasted. It's probably a shock. So I would say the song says that your name carries shock waves throughout the world. Yeah. Yeah. And one thing I've noticed, man, now that I've like I react to House of God again. Leisurely. Uh House of God, ngikubuza, maybe it's just me, but if I'm wrong, you guys have every right to come and correct me. Why do I sense like Ninobu Roma in your singing? Like I've been listening and I figure this thought, but then I go like nah. But then it comes back again every time mangin lalele. Why does it always feels like Ninobu Roma in your singing? Yes, Roma is Catholic, of course. But like ukucula choir lase-Roma in sonke siyazi, it's very, very, very high and angelic. One day, if I get an opportunity to go to near Roma, I'll try to document. I will try, like proper. They are here, and I've noticed that, man. In a house of worship, if bazoenza like worship songs, not house of worship, house of God. If bazoenza like worship songs, I know I see that and I hear that, and then I go like, is it? No, like for real, bro. Like for real, man. If you've been around, if you were Roma, if you were Roma, you would understand why ngibuza the question, because like, bro, every time, it's not your normal Zion singing. It's not your normal Zion singing. You see, normal Zion singing, you are Israel. But Maulala House of God, you go like, yo, how though? Like, why do I feel like there's an element of Roma in there, bro? Hey. Hey, that was mean, bro. Hey, that was mean. That was mean, bro. Nah, that was mean, bro. Oh my god. Lele. Easy pace. consistency, bro. Bro, the consistency of alto ni tenor right now is insane. Oh man, like you listen to cause los slower le voice nyamaz, and then kuno mama opeka, so uzwa le voice first part bese uzwa back, right? And then bese ulalela the way itena ne alto intertwine. It's amazing to listen, bro. It is amazing. That's why I'm like, yo, bro, the consistency, bro. The consistency. And now the way Isfuto is filling up some of the gaps in the song. I feel like sometimes Isfuto can get underrated because it's just a normality. But once you realize the gaps Isfuto is filling up, bro. I wadalwa nguwe something sayenza ngomfanekiso wakhe. It's that middle part that I'm trying to get, bro. Dog, you know, house of God. Let me put Nkonzo aside. You guys are very creative. No, like I'm gonna give you props for that, bro. You guys are very creative with these songs. There's nothing new in what they are saying, but how they are creating some of these songs, bro. And I love their play of Ifes, but yeah. One thing, and I think that system I understand the album reaction, yeah, but when I understood Uguti, there are certain songs where they understand where and how far to go, and there are certain songs where they like, no, we stick here. Zwil in the beginning, Uguti Ifes part was one of the high, like the voice Ifes part was different from the normal voice Ifes part that he tried. And then when it's another song, Jengale, they don't use that specific voice, but the first part still continues, bro. That for me is what I call creativity. That's why I get to let's put Christianity aside and let's focus on the music aspect. That is amazing. To be able to switch up, that switch up that you guys have is insane. Is insane. Yo, my apologies. Like that voice, oh my god. The way they do it, bro. That's why I'm like in the creative sense of their music, bro. They are fantastic. The fact to that voice went from Ug leader to now potentially becoming a second back. Hey! Hey, Lippies, where do you come from? Nah. Aye. House of God. And another thing, man, the elongation. Aye. Ngizoba honest now. Yeah, ingoma the House of God are very long. Very long. Like super long. But outside from that, bro, I've always been in love with their creative side. Always, 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 always. That I think that's their own uniqueness. The fact that they are not scared of coming up with new music all the time. Like they not. I understand. That's why I get when you it's one of those few churches that just hardly recycle songs. Baba drop on my album. They always want to come up with something new. And I know at first it sounds a little boring because you go like, Ish, I have to adapt to a new song. But the more you listen to it, you appreciate it. It's always like that, really, anyway, because it's music. Music more qualify for the first time. Sometimes you go like, hey, I have to learn this again. But the more you hear them, the more you go like, oh no, man, this is actually a good song. I like this song. You understand? So I feel like give music a chance. That's why I always say to people, don't listen to Ibanda just because it's only your favorite, or don't overlook kwenye Ibanda because it's not your favorite. Always listen to Ingoma Zion. Always. And you will, excuse me, you will be taken aback by the level of creativity and singing that you'll find. So, yo, me, I'm signing out. So, in the favorite way to stay Jupiter. Adios.